Here I have TOSCIDO P101 and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see TOSCIDO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. And in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that your device will enter boot mode. So like small letters here saying fast boot mode, which indicates that we entered this so-called boot mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 7 or 10 seconds and after that device will be restarted just as usual. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.